Welcome to Changing Main PCB tutorial. Here we will see how to change the main PCB in the light bar. Let's begin. So first we will need to remove the cover of the machine. The procedure for that is explained in the removing cover tutorial. You can go check that out first if you have not done already. You can find the PCB on the left side of the machine as shown here. Then we have to remove the USB cable from the electron as shown here. When you are removing this cable, pull it in the direction of the electron or the direction of the connection and do not pull it towards yourself or you might break the connector over here. Once the USB cable is out, you can leave it on the side like this. Now we have to remove this electron. In order to do so, you have to hold it from this end and this end and pull it straight towards yourself. While doing so, make sure to pull both ends at the same time to avoid damaging the pins of the electrons. So once you remove the electron, place it on top of the cloth on this platform. Now we have to remove all the cables connected to the PCB as shown here. These connectors have lock-in pins and can be removed by pressing on the locking pin and pulling it out. This one also has a locking pin on top of here, and all these connectors, these four and the one back here, the one that this cable is connected to on the PCB itself, they are the lock-in connectors. So just press on the pin and pull it out. On this one the pins are on top, on this one the pins are on bottom side. To remove this DB9 cable, you have to unscrew both these caps and then pull the cable out. So we have removed all the cables connected to this PCB, and now we have to remove all these 6 bolts and remove the PCB very carefully. Now take the new PCB and place it in the same orientation on this plate and put the screws back in, and you don't have to secure it very tightly, you can just lightly twist it. Once the new PCB is installed, put all the cables that were previously removed in their respective slots. To check for a secure connection, lightly pull on all the cables. If it comes out, push it back until you hear a clicking sound. Next, put the electron back in its slot in the exact same orientation as shown here. Next, put the USB cable back into the electron. And we have successfully changed the main PCB. Call Solaris Service Center for further instructions or if any problem occurs during the procedure explained in this tutorial.